How to layer photos in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up a blank design like this one. So let's just go to elements and then select, let's say 3 photos to layer. So I'm going to use person. Let's just search of person here, click on photos, and then let's select 3 photos here. And as you can see, they are layered like this. So if you want to change it up, so let's say I want this first one here, this one, to be layered on top of these 3 here. So what you can do is just click on the photo, right click, and then click on layer here, and then click on bring to font or bring forward. Or if you want to layer, put it on top of both of them, just click on bring to font, and there you go. Now you can layer it up like this one. Now let's say I want this one at the back and this one at the top. So what you can do is just click on the photo, right click, layer, and then click on send to back. Okay, now this one is all the way at the back. Okay, so if you want to see all of the layers, you can just select in one photo, click on layer, show layers, and you can see all of the layers of the photos here. So let's say you can just start dragging here what you want to be on top of which one. So let's say I want this photo here again to be on top of this one. You can just drag it here at the top. There you go. Okay, so this is the fastest one to do this. So that's it. You can start layering them however you want. And there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.